Fabian Electrical Services Inc. Subscribe today for more worldwide electrical tutorial. Stay up to date with the code content. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Share the video. And also you can become a member of the channel. Blessings everyone. Fabian Electrical Services Inc. here. Today, we're breaking down a full 400 amp service from the service entrance to the 400 amp disconnect and into the 400 amp panel, including grounding, bonding, and wire size. This is real world knowledge, homeowners, apprentices, electricians. You're going to learn something today. What makes it 400 amps? When it's used in large homes, commercial duplexes, the difference from 200 amp or 100 amp is higher load demand and conductor requirements. Voltage 120 volts / 240, single phase. Typical fault current. 400 amps is not a regular service entrance for residential homes. Normally we use 100 to 200 amps. So this is considered a very large installation. So this installation must be done clean, professional, tight, and using all requirements when it comes to OESC 2024. When it comes to your service entrance, there's either copper or aluminum cable that we're going to use. Copper is going to be 600 kc mil, parallel runs possible. Aluminum is going to be 2 runs of 350 kc mil per phase. Typical utility requirements when it comes to this service. Conductor size 3" to 4" for service entrance. Utility clearance requirements, weatherheads, mast supports is all what we're going to use when it comes to a service entrance, plus strip loop. We're going to be using our metering cabinet location is something else we have to take care of also. And we have to remember our neutral connections. So again, for all those who tuned into today's short video, please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Yes, so you also have to follow the YouTube instructions on how to create a channel. You just simply log on and do your thing. So obviously this, like I said, this here is live. I am allowed to work live. It's 120 volts The rule states that anything less than 120 volts I can work live on. And it's not really endangering anyone's around me, so I am allowed to perform live work. Just has to be 120 volts or less, unless they change the code rule, which I don't think. So, like I said, this is live, so I'm just taking the normal precautions to work on live circuits.